Welcome to Padmavati Junior College online classes. My name is E.M. Naidu, Principal of Junior College Padmavati. Today discuss about the topic complex numbers, Maths 2A, exercise 1D. The first one, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points 7 plus 7i, 7 minus 7i in the arc diagram. Okay. Solution. The given points seven plus 7i equal to 7 comma 7. It is A. 7 minus 7i, 7 minus 7 is B at the given points in the arc diagram. A 7 7, B 7 minus 7. The perpendicular bisector line is, let us take L. So, M is the midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of AB. That equal 7 plus 7 by 2, 7 minus 7 by 2. That equal 14 by 2, 0 by 2. That equal to 7, 0. That is the midpoint. Now, we find the slope of AB. The slope of AB is y2 minus y1 by s2 minus x1. That is the formula, 2-point formula. Point ichetapudu slope formula. Minus 7 minus 7 by 7 minus 7, that is minus 14 by 0, that is infinitive. So, the perpendicular bisector line, let the perpendicular bisector line L of AB then the slope of AB, the slope of the line L, the slope of the line L is minus 1 by m formula, that is minus 1 by infinitive, that is 0. So, the equation of the perpendicular bisector line L is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, that is the formula. Y minus the point is the midpoint M. Let us take y minus 0. This the slope of L is 0 and x minus x1, x minus 7. That implies y is equal to 0. Okay, the equation of the required perpendicular bisector of the line L is So that is the required line, which is the required perpendicular line. Now second problem, find the equation of the line, equation of the line segment line joining the points -9 plus 6i 11 minus 4i in the organ plane, equation of the straight line. Solution: let the given points in the organ plane A equal to -9 plus 6i, it is the form of -9 6, B equal to 11 minus 4i, it is 11 minus 4. Okay, first we find the slope of AB. The slope of the line AB is M equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 6 by 11 plus 9, that is minus 10 by 20, that is minus 1 by 2. So that is the slope. The equation of the straight line AB is y minus y1 to m into x minus x1. That implies y minus y1 minus 6 minus 1 by 2 x minus x1 x plus 9. So x1 y1 this one. So to cross multiplication, 2y minus 12 equal to minus x minus 9. So this one minus x plus x plus 2y minus 9 minus 12 plus 9. That implies x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. That is the required straight line equation. Now next problem. If z equal to x plus I by and if the point P in the organ plane represent z, in the organ plane represents z, represents z. Find the locus of z. Find the locus of z. The first one is mod z minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. Second one is 2 into mod z minus 2 equal to mod z minus 1. Third one is imaginary part of z square equal to 4. Fourth one is organ z1 minus 1 z plus 1 equal pi by 4. Now just solve the solution of 1. Let z equal to x plus iy. Given that mod z minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. So what is z? Z is, let us take it is the point xy. It is indicate the point P. So that implies x plus iy minus 2 minus 3i equal to 5. That implies, so real part, imaginary part, the separate x minus 2 plus I into y minus 3. So that equal to 5. So modulus, what is the meaning by modulus? Square root of real part to square plus imaginary part to square equal to 5. Now squaring on both sides. That implies, so now x minus 2 whole square, x square minus 4x plus 4 y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 25. That implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 25 equal 0. That implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal 0. So that is the required locus of the point P. Therefore, the locus of the point P is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal 0. Okay, it is similar way W. Now third problem. Third one is, it is given that imaginary z square equal to 4. Okay, what is z square? Z square equal to x plus iy whole square, that is x square plus 2xy I plus I square y square, that is x square minus y square plus 2xy I. Since I square equal to minus 1, okay, now imaginary z square is equal to, the imaginary part of z square equal to 2xy. So given imaginary z square equal to 4, that implies 2xy equal to 4 implies xy is equal to 2. Therefore the locus of P is xy is equal to 2. That is the third problem. Now fourth problem. Given the organ z1 minus z minus 1 by z plus 1. Okay. First of all, z minus 1 by z plus 1, we find x plus iy minus 1 by x plus iy plus 1. So that is equal x minus 1 plus iy by x plus 1 plus iy. Now we apply the rationalizing. Let's take x minus 1 plus iy to multiplied with x plus 1 minus iy by x plus 1 plus iy to x plus 1 minus iy. Now multiplying these two, that equal x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus iy into x minus 1 plus iy into x plus 1 minus I square into y square whole by x plus 1 whole square minus I square y square. Since I square equal to minus 1, so it is given. So x square minus 1 minus ixy plus iy plus ixy plus iy plus y square whole by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. So now these two cancel. So that is equal. Now the real part is x square plus y square minus 1 plus I 2iy by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. Okay. What is the real part? X square plus y square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus y square plus 2y by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. It is the imaginary part. It is the real part. Now the argon z1 minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to tan inverse of, that is the formula of a imaginary part by, what is the imaginary part? 2y by x plus 1 whole square plus y square whole by x square plus y square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus y square. So argon z1 minus z2, z1 minus 1 by z1 plus 1, argon means tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Now these two cancel, that equal to, it is given that pi by 4, that implies 2y by x square plus y square minus 1 equal to tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4. Tan inverse it by first the tan pi by 4 out. Tan pi by 4 value, what is the value of tan pi by 4? 1. So that implies 2y equal to x square plus y square minus 1. So that implies x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal 0. That is the locus of P. Therefore, the locus of P equal to is x square plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. That is the required locus of the point P. Now next problem. So that the points, in the argon diagram represent by the complex numbers, 2 plus 2i minus 2 minus 2i minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i are vertices of a equilateral triangle, are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Here the given points. Solution: let A equal to 2 plus 2i, that equal to 2, B equal to minus 2 minus 2i, that equal to minus 2, C equal to minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3i, that equal to minus 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. That is the point. Okay. First we find what is the equilateral triangle diagram? A, B, C. So first we find the sides AB. AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square, that is root 2 4 square 16 plus 16 root 32. Okay, that is root 30. What is the value of root 32? 4 root 2. Now BC, square root of minus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 minus 2 whole square. Now we have to square root of 12 a square plus b square plus 4 plus 2ab 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3. Okay. So you need to cancel that equal to root 32, that is also 4 root 2. Now CA, the distance between A and C, it is AC, the distance between BC. So square root of minus 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square, 2 root 3 plus 2 whole square. Now it is also same, we expand square root of 12 plus 4 minus 8 root 3, 12 plus 4 plus 8 root 3. These two cancel, that equal to root 32, that is also 4 root 2. So all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA or AC. So that implies, therefore the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. Okay. Now the class is over. Next class continue.